Hello and welcome to this guide on how to open a Moniepoint business account online. Just follow my process. The first thing is to go to your browser and type in atm.moniepoint.com. As you are typing, it suggests for you, so just click on it. So you have several options, but make sure you click on atm.moniepoint.com. So while it is loading, you have to prepare all of your necessary information, like your phone number, your email address, or any other identity that you need to use to verify. So on this page, don't sign up since you don't have an account already. So click on sign up. Don't click on login, rather click on sign up. So while the page is loading, as I've said earlier, make sure you have gotten all of your information, your identity verification, your BVN or your NIN. So you read through all of this. Make sure you are above 16 years old. You have a valid BVN or NIN. Then you need to complete a phase verification. Then click on get started. Once you have clicked this, you type in your phone number. Once you have typed in your phone number, it gives you an OTP, an on-time password. It will send it to your phone. Make sure your phone number is active. So once you have typed in your OTP, it creates a secure login password for you. So what you have to do is type in a 4-digit transaction PIN. Make sure it is very, very confidential and personal to you. So the next thing is identity verification. You need to select your nationality, enter your BVN or your NIN, the numbers, and ensure your official details match your identity document. The next thing to do is the facial verification. Follow the on-screen prompt to perform a quick facial verification. Then you need to input your residential address or your business details, including your business name and location. Those are all what you need. The last thing to do is to complete declarations. You need to select your source of income, your source of revenue, and confirm your PEP status. That's your political exposure status. Then check on the attestation box and submit. Your business account number will display instantly on the screen and your limits of accounts. That's all you need to do to open a Moniepoint account online. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more business guide. Have a wonderful day.